everybody. Today I'm here with our lender partner, David Ratty of Envoy Mortgage, and we wanted to talk to you about the real cost of interest rates going up. So we all hear we better buy now because the rates are going up. So what does that actually mean to the buyers out there? So today, David's going to tell us the real numbers of waiting to purchase in an interest rate, in an environment where interest rates may be increasing. So David?
Hi, thank you for having me. I am going to illustrate what it means in your purchasing power when interest rates fluctuate. And we've seen some fluctuations that we haven't seen in years for the first 3 months of this year. So I'm going to pop something up on the screen and share that for everybody to take a look at. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is the right side of this picture. This is 2021, from January to today. This is what mortgage rates look like. So
on the rise.
There's a significant and very distinctive trend. And that is at about January, interest rates were about 2 3/4, whereas today they're, let's call it 3 1/4%. So that's about a 0.5% increase in a quarter in 3 months. So what I did is I put together a chart to show what it looks like if that trend continues for the remainder of 2021. And there's a lot of economists that are predicting it will, mainly due to the surge in energy costs. So if we take a look at this, at the end of the quarter ending March, your purchasing power would be about $460,000 in this example. A lender wants to see that your income or that your house payment is about 30% of your income. So we based it on that. We based it on somebody that makes $8,700 a month. We kept the payment consistent and looked at what happens to the sales price if we have the same house payment throughout the year in purchasing a home. And if you look at what happens in January, it would have been $480,000 home for that $2,400 payment. In March, $460,000. And as we go through the year, you can continue to see the decline where by the end of the year at 4 3/4% with that payment still at $2,400, that means your purchasing power is dropping under $400,000.
Wow. So what at beginning of the year, same buyer can afford a $480,000 home. Potentially by the end of this year, with the increase in the interest rate, that same buyer can afford a home for $399,000. So what, over $80,000 less of purchasing power from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. So wow, that's pretty impactful stuff.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
David, what does that mean to the buyers?
Well, I think the thing to keep in mind is you hear people say all the time, I'm going to save a little bit more money and I'm going to buy next year. Well, chances are they probably already have enough money. People don't realize how inexpensive or how cheap they can get into a home. And the second thing is the cost and their purchasing power diminishing is so dramatic. I mean, if you look at this, it's over $80,000 of purchase power, and we're talking about the same house payment.
Yep.
What it enables you to buy. It's amazing how your purchasing power could diminish if this trend continues.
Yep. So for all you buyers who are kind of thinking, hey, I'm going to ride out the market, wait till more inventory comes on the market, they're going to come to the realization that, yikes, if I do that, I'm not going to be able to afford the same house that I could afford today. So it might be a little bit, more challenging to get the house, but, people are winning the house. If you wait, you might not qualify by the end of this year. So people, if you're thinking of buying, now is the time to jump in. It is a reality. We've already seen an uptick in the interest rates. The trend is projected to continue. So don't be at the end of the year looking back going, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. Like, do it now. So David, thanks for all the valuable information that you shared today. I think it was really, really impactful. So if you know anybody that's looking to buy that can take advantage of this information, please share it. As you can see, it's critical. Now's the time. Don't wait. So thanks for joining us, David. And thank you
Thanks for having
everybody
me.
for listening. If you have any questions on your specific situation, David and I are happy to talk you through it. So please reach out to us directly at the numbers and emails below. We're happy to help. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Have a great day.